Discover why purchasing a duplex can be a smart move for first-time home buyers. Transform your first home into an income-generating asset and set yourself up for financial success. By living in one unit and renting out the other, you can have your tenant help cover your mortgage each month. This strategy builds equity while reducing your housing costs and offers better financing rates. Financing a duplex can be surprisingly accessible. With as little as a 3.5% down payment through FHA loans and rental income counting towards your qualification, it's a viable option for many. Rental income from the second unit can significantly offset your mortgage. In many markets, it covers 40 to 60% of the monthly payment, reducing your housing costs from day one. Owning a duplex allows your wealth to grow in two ways: through property appreciation and rental income. You're building net worth on two tracks simultaneously. Owning a duplex sets you up for future property investments. Use the equity to expand your portfolio, just like many experienced investors who started with a house hack. Addressing common concerns. Managing a duplex is manageable with minimal effort. Proper screening and lease terms protect you from tenant issues. Finding a good duplex is possible with the right agent. Ready to take the next steps? Get pre-approved, research markets, and connect with someone who can guide you through the process? Call Patrick Morton at Income Realty Advisors at 239-272-1640.